Founder, welcome back to another video. Today we're going fishing out of Thornton, me and the bro Carl. Be my first time crossing that bar, and it's notoriously shallow and waves can break across the whole bar, so we'll see how we get on with that. The plan is to just target some snapper, and if we catch one I'll make some ceviche, and yeah, see how we go. This is us coming up to the bar here. This is about 2 hours after low tide, so it's still pretty shallow, but all good for the unstinkable. Not much swell, so didn't really have to punch through any big waves or anything. It was pretty safe. I was still a little bit nervous about how shallow it is, but Carl's across the bar heaps here, so he said it's all good, and he was driving, so no worries. Oh, first fish.
You make it.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Yeah, that's all good. That's legal for sure.
Fucking solid. Unfortunately, that was the only legal fish we caught at that spot. So this is us pulling up the anchor and going to try somewhere else. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Every fish I catch looks like a dog on this rod, eh?
No, that's all good though. Legal.
Yeah. Ooh.
Fuck, that's all good.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a, hey, it didn't even look like a snapper. Feels light though. Fuck, it is a little bit small too. Yeah. It's a better one, eh? Yeah, bro. That ain't the bottom, cuz. Oh, nah. Fuck's sakes, it is the bottom. It's the burley, cuz. Check this out. Fuck. I seen the fish come up, I was like, hey. After catching the burley rope a couple of times and not catching much fish, that was us. Pulled the anchor up and tried a bit closer to shore. Please, yeah. Please be a gurnard. Snapper. Any weight to it?
It was. Unless it's a runner.
Oh yeah. Fuck, I'll be keen on that. That's a good size if you can get it in. Yeah.
Fuck, that's a big one.
That's a big dog, bro. That was pretty much us after that kahawai. We'd been out there for half the day and fishing was a bit slow. We had a feed, so we decided to punch it in. This is us coming back across the bar. It was pretty much bang on high tide, so it was pretty safe. We seen boats coming in from all angles. Didn't seem like anyone was concerned about the depth at all. So we just shot in. And then here's the pups eating the fish skins. And if you hang around after this, you'll see how we make ceviche. Alright, whānau, this is how you make ceviche with snapper. You need lemons, coriander, evo, red onion, fresh snapper, olive oil, salt and pepper. First step is to juice the lemons. After that, you pretty much just chuck everything in a bowl and mix it up. So I started off here with the fish and then chucked the lemon juice on the fish. Then the evo, onion, coriander, bit of salt, pepper, olive oil. Mix it all up and that's how you make it. That's nice.